Hello my dear students, today I am going to start the new topic, that is reciprocal of a fraction. So how to find out the reciprocal of a fraction, but or otherwise what is made by reciprocal. So first, so this is 3 by 2 is there, okay, 3 by 2 is there. So how to find out the reciprocal? Reciprocal means just interchange the numerator and denominator. So here 3 by 2 is there. So reciprocal is just interchanging the numerator and denominator. 2 by 3, that's it. 2 by 3, here 3 by 2 is there, just interchange the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, so you will get 2 by 3. So take another one, 5 by 6. So reciprocal is here 5 by 6 is there, isn't it? So just interchange the numerator and denominator. 6 by 5, 6 by 5. So this is the reciprocal of a given fraction. So first, okay, I will explain later the definition of reciprocal, or otherwise I will explain it now only. So reciprocal is the fraction or the number or the fraction which when multiplied by the given number, the product is 1. The product is 1. So check first one, here 3 by 2 is there. So a number, this is the fraction, a number or a fraction which when multiplied by the given fraction. So this is the reciprocal, isn't it? 2 by 3 is the reciprocal of a given fraction is 3 by 2. So the product must be 1. So multiply here, because how to multiply? Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. Okay, so here cancellation possible. 2 ones are 2 ones are, 3 ones are 3 ones are. So 1 into 1. Here also 1 into 1. So what will get the answer? Product as 1. So this is the reciprocal of 3 by 2. Check this one, 6 by 5. So original fraction is 5 by 6, isn't it? The reciprocal is 6 by 5. So when multiplied the given fraction to the reciprocal of that fraction, you will get product as 1. So 6 ones are 6 ones are, 5 ones are 5 ones are. So answer will be 1. So that is why reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So this is one example. So how to find out the reciprocal of a whole number? Here 15 is there, okay. So how to find out the reciprocal? So first you can write it as 15 by 1, 15 by 1. So reciprocal of 15 by 1, just interchange it. Reciprocal is 1 by 15, that's it. Why? Multiply 15 by 1 into 1 by 15. What will get the answer? 15 into 1, 1 into 15. 15 ones are 15 ones are. So the reciprocal is 1 by 15. Why? Because when we multiply the reciprocal to the given fraction, the product must be 1. So that is why 1 by 15 is the reciprocal of 15 by 1. So I will explain the definition. So I already explained that one. So I will write the definition here. So definition is the number or a fraction when multiplied to the given fraction that gives the product as 1 is called a reciprocal of a fraction. So I already explained that one. When you multiply any fraction to that reciprocal of that given fraction, the product must be 1. Then that fraction we call it as a reciprocal of that fraction. Okay. So the next concept is divide a number by fraction, that is division of fraction. So first here number is there, division, and the fraction is there. So how to divide it? So first write down the first number as a fraction. 15 as we can write it as 15 by 1, isn't it? So write at 15 by 1. So first remove the division sign. So how to remove it? So by taking the reciprocal of second fraction. So this is first one, this is second one. So take the reciprocal of second fraction. Fraction of 3 by 2 is reciprocal of that 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So in place of division, take the multiplication sign. Okay. So first write down the number as a fraction. After that remove the division sign. So how to remove it? By taking the reciprocal of a second fraction. Remember it, second fraction. Okay. In place of division sign, take the multiplication sign. So now multiply 15 into 2, 1 into 3. Okay, so you already know that 3 ones are 3 5s are. So 5 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. So what will get the answer? 5 2s are 10. 10 by 1 means 10 only. Okay, like that. Solve this one. 24 by 6 by 5. So first step is, first write down the 24 as a fraction. 24 by 1. So in place of division sign, take the multiplication sign. If you want to take the multiplication sign, take the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 6. So now multiply 24 into 5 divided by 1 into 6. So here cancellation possible by 6. 6 ones are 6 4s are. So multiply it 4 into 5 divided by 1 into 1. So multiply 4 5s are 20. 1 by 1 into 1 only. So you can write it as a 20. 20 by 1 means 20 only. So this is the way of dividing any number by fraction. So the next topic is divide a fraction by another fraction. So how to divide it? First one. So first fraction as it is, 4 by 5 as it is. Okay, in place of division sign. So first you have to remove it. So how to remove it? By taking the reciprocal of second fraction. So reciprocal of 14 by 15 is 15 by 14, isn't it? So in place of division sign, take the multiplication sign. So you already know the multiplication of a fraction. So multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So what will get the answer? Here cancellation possible. 5 ones are 5 3s are. So and 4 and 14 is there. So both are divisible by 2. Why? Because both are even numbers. 2 2s are 2 7s are. So write down the remaining numbers. 2 into 3 divided by 1 into 7. So what will get the answer? 2 3s are 6. 1 into 7. 1 7s are 7. So final answer is 6 by 7. So if you know the how to find out the reciprocal, then division of fraction is very easy. Okay, now second one. So first, when you dividing any fraction, write down the first fraction as it is, 48 by 25. So remove the division sign. In place of division sign, take the multiplication sign. So if you want to take multiplication sign, take the reciprocal of second fraction. Second fraction means 18 by 15 is there. Reciprocal is 15 by 18. So now multiply 48 into 15, next 25 into 18. So here 5 is there, here 5 is there. So divisible by 5. 5 5s are 5 3s are. So now 3 18 is there. 18 comes in the 3 table. 3 1s are 3 6s are. So if you know the 6 table, 48 comes in 6 table. 6 1s are 6 8s are. So write down the remaining numbers. 8 and 1, that is 8 into 1 divided by 5 and 1. So what will get the answer? 8 1s are 8, 5 1s are 5. So this is the way of dividing a fraction by another fraction. I hope you understand the today's concept: reciprocal, dividing a number by fraction. Last one, divide a fraction by another fraction. Thank you.